Santa Anita Derby, and Houston kicking on with it, leads it by half a length. Music Mercy been asked to run. Sunday Silence still just cruising along in third. Mr. Bulge and Hawkster are next. 3/8 of a mile to go, and Houston is dropping back. He can find no more. Houston can find no more. Sunday Silence can find plenty more on the outside. He has to beat Music Mercy inside of him. 1/4 of a mile to go. Pat Valenzuela hasn't moved. I think the Derby's over. Sunday Silence is going to romp. It's Sunday Silence by 5. Music Mercy flying Continental, but it's Sunday Silence. Pat Valenzuela has the whip on him, but he can put it away because Sunday Silence is in a class of his own, and he's going down to the wire to win it by a distance. What an impressive winner Sunday Silence was. Flying Continental second.
Sunday Silence at the start comes right in and bumps Triple Buck. Houston takes and charging up and now alongside Easy Goer. Then comes Triple Buck and Flying Continental. It's still Houston in front by 3/4 of a length. Northern Wolf second. Here comes Sunday Silence on the outside. The entry of Easy Goer and awe-inspiring next as they straighten away in the stretch. Sunday Silence, but Pat Valenzuela comes over, has a little contact with Northern Wolf. On the inside, Houston is dropping out of it. Dancel is still tough. On the inside, then comes Easy Goer and awe-inspiring, but with a 16th of a mile to go. And here comes Sunday Silence through the stretch, coming to the finish of the Derby. Sunday Silence wins this Derby by 2 lengths. It's a photograph between Easy Goer and on the outside, awe-inspiring. So it's Sunday Silence, Easy Goer, and awe-inspiring. 1, 2, 3. Sunday Silence trained by Charlie Wood. They're standing in line, and they're off. Sunday Silence breaks alertly. Easy Goer was off a step slow toward the inside. Slew City coming to the top of the stretch, and Blushing John is under a hand ride. He leads by a length and a half. Sunday Silence, a threatening presence on the outside. Easy Goer is set down and he's put to a fierce drive. Coming to the final furlong, Sunday Silence surges to the front. Blushing John trying to fight back. Easy Goer with one final acceleration, and Sunday Silence holds on, and he wins by a desperate neck. Easy Goer was too late, not enough to win it, and it was Sunday Silence in a racing epic.